Jakey! Monkey boy! Hi! What are you doing? Jacob! Are you supposed to be playing with the DVD player? Jakey! Remember, Santa sees what you're doing. Yeah. Oh, you're Santa, are you? So you can do what you want. Oh. Are you sleepy? Oh. There. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. I don't think you're supposed to eat it. I don't think you're supposed to eat it. Hey, that's Mummy's drink. Well, it was Mummy's drink. Are you going to put that back up there for Mummy? What are you doing? Look at who's got jam in their hair. Who's got jam in their hair? Oh, oh. Jacob, what you doing? What you doing? Oof. Eat. Scoot back a little bit. What you doing? What about this? Do you need to make a phone call? No. Well, how about this one? How about that one? Oh no, so many phones in so little time, huh? I know. Oh dear. Well, I think you've got the art of hanging up on someone pretty well. Eh. Oh, Mommy needs to get this one.